Today we are going to show you how to install our new wheel guard. First, remove the top loop from the hub handle. Remove the red nut from the handle. Remove the hub cover. Remove the centerpiece and motor. Then unwind the wires. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and channel lock pliers. Holding the locking nut, unscrew the bolt. Remove the bolt and place to the side. Repeat the same process on the other side. With the second bolt removed, you can now remove the motor mount. With a small screwdriver, slide the end into the mount and gently pry up until it opens. Remove the motor from the mount. You will now need to remove some of the tape until there is only one layer remaining. Trim any excess tape and secure the end of the tape back to the motor. You are now ready to install your wheel guard. Slide the guard over the end of the motor. With a twisting motion, press the guard over the tape. Note, this should be a snug fit. Ensure that your guard is in line with the motor shaft. You are now ready to reassemble. Place your motor back into the mounting clamp. Ensure that your motor wires are in the up direction. Insert a bolt into the open end of the motor clamp. Place the center handle on top and secure with a washer and nut. Repeat the same process on the other side. With your pliers and screwdriver, tighten the open end of the clamp. Tighten until the opening closes. While wrapping the wires around the handle, insert the center piece back into the hub. Ensure that your wires are properly stored and not getting pinched. Make sure that your power cord is perpendicular to the prop. Put on your hub cover. Install your red nut onto the handle. Tighten the nut until you have fully exposed the loop mounting holes. Gently pulling the loop apart, insert both ends into the mounting holes. Now you are ready to hunt.